Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. Countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things you can count. 1, 2, 3. Countable nouns are things you can count. Example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. I can count apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Let's say it together. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. I can count books. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. I can count chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. How to use a, n with countable nouns. A, n, an. A, n, n. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound, and n before words that start with a vowel sound. Cat, that's a consonant sound. K. So we use a cat, a cat, a cat, a cat. Octopus, octopus, that is a vowel sound. Octopus. So we use n octopus, n octopus, n octopus. University, it starts with U, but it's a Y sound. University, it's a Y sound, so we use a university, a university, a university. How to use some and any. Use some in positive sentences and any in negative sentences and questions. One more time. Use some in positive sentences and any in negative and questions. Example, I have some apples. Have, that's positive, so we use some. I have some apples. I have some apples. I have some apples. I don't have any apples. Don't, that is negative, so we use any. I don't have any apples. I don't have any apples. I don't have any apples. It's negative. Do you have any apples? Do, that's a question, right? That's a question word. So we use any. Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? How to use many and a few. Use many for large amounts and a few for small amounts. A few. Example, I have many books. I have many books. I have many books. I have a few cookies. I have a few cookies. I have a few cookies. Let's say them again together. I have many books. I have many books. I have many books. I have a few cookies. I have a few cookies. I have a few cookies. Okay, so books, that is our countable noun, and cookies, that is our countable noun, right? I have many books. I have a few cookies. Okay, tip, all right? If you can count it, 1, 2, 3, it's a countable noun. If you can count it, 1, 2, 3, it's a countable noun. Use a and n with countable nouns. Use some and any with countable nouns. use many and a few with countable nouns. One more time. Use a and n with countable nouns. Use some and any with countable nouns. And use many and a few with countable nouns. Okay, great job. Thank you for being here with me. I really, really appreciate your kind support. And talking about support, please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page. That would be great. Support me there so I can support you here. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please tell your friends about my channel. That would be fantastic. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.